Hello, in this video, we will learn how to mute and unmute someone's status in WhatsApp. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the WhatsApp application. Go to the Status tab. Here, you will find the posts from your contacts. Search for the person whose status updates you no longer want to see. Press and hold on their name until a pop-up window appears. Now, click on Mute. WhatsApp will no longer show you any status updates they share. If you want to restore their updates and see what they share, swipe left. Then, tap on the unmute icon. Here, you will see everyone whose updates you have disabled. Press on one of them. You have successfully unmuted them. As you can see, you have successfully muted and unmuted status updates from your contacts. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.